mechs or humanoids that control that, and it looks pretty dope. I mean, Forearms is kind of reminiscent for me of Mortal Kombat, but I thought this was pretty cool. And this is on display right out there in the cabinet as well. Move right along. Let's go to 3-0. 3-0.
Hell yeah.
All right. So 3-0 has sent us a early sample of Arcee. I think it's pretty cool. I got a chance to manipulate it out there. One of the things that they did send us the neck peg, so I couldn't do too much for it out there. But when I tell you guys, this figure has that 3-0 heft. And most of you guys who own it, own the 3-0 figure, you know what I'm talking about. Say it's pretty awesome. The articulation points are great. It does come with 3 sets of hands, comes with the 2 guns. Also has a light up feature and comes with the display stand. This thing seems like it's pretty close to release. So I'm thinking we're getting this in 4th quarter from what I remember.
I will make a inquiry to 3-0 and find out what
There you go.
I can do that.
Alrighty guys, so many of you already seen in the corner out there that Scourge is on its way. I got a chance to handle this and a couple other people did as well. It seems very close to release. I can't imagine why we wouldn't get this in the 4th quarter, somewhere October to December-ish. Pretty awesome. The ab crunch was surprisingly good. It has a good range of motion. It has that heft. It doesn't have to worry about stability issues, even with the backpack, which I know a lot of people have criticized already. But guys, the mini kind of has an ab crunch. I mean, the target match, come on now. That's pretty dope. It does come with a couple of faces. It comes with 4 different faces there. And it has a stand that will fit your fans' toy stand. So you can get it in flight mode. It's pretty slick. Here's a close up. I said, I'm gonna get your face. And there's a close up of the minifig, the target master. Looks pretty good. Moving right along, I love our Minibots, man. Who's excited for these?
Yeah.
I can't tell. Who's excited for these?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. All right, so let's start with one of the most popular Mean Street Minicons. Let's go with the Minibot Gears. Uh-oh, did my mic go up? Oh, am I good?
You're good.
All right, cool. So there's Gears, guys. He comes with, looks like 5 different faces. Also comes with 2 guns. The ab crunch of this thing is crazy. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. One of the knocks that people give fans toys that I hear in the community a lot is that when they do different color reds, they normally don't match. Well, they knock this one out of the park. So you guys get a chance to see this one out on display. So let me know what you think as well. Actually, I'm gonna go back a little bit here. So there's Swerve. Swerve also comes with 2 different heads. 3 if you count the one that is on the bot, and it comes with an interchangeable faceplate. Has a good articulation as far as like the ab crunch and stuff like that. The silver on the legs, if you like the chrome, it is good. I think that it will appeal to a lot of different people. And from what I can tell, it's not a straight repaint, like a remold. They've done some retooling on this one, so it's not just like Gears. Kind of what they did with Huffer and Pikes. You can tell the difference. For those who own it, you can tell that it's a different figure altogether. All right, guys.